All right. Good afternoon. Actually, it's almost evening. It's 5:44 right now on Monday, and it is Vlog 90. Hopefully, everybody had a great weekend. Did I have a great weekend? I think I did. Actually, I did. I think I did have a good weekend. There's a lot of things that were happening. Today, it's Monday. I'm excited. I accomplished my challenge, and wow, I don't even know how to feel right now. It's kind of crazy. I don't even know how to feel, but it is May 10th. It is May 10th, 2021. It is Vlog 90. Did I already say that? I can't even remember, but maybe I did. I don't know. But yeah, it was a crazy weekend. Today, I just finished off my 100 days of ook. Can't believe we did that. It's like recorded 100 songs. That's so crazy. One takes and all that other stuff. But let me do a tuning. I gotta start with the tuning because I don't think I have today. It's kind of crazy. I need to tune up. So nice. You know what? I didn't write that much in my vlog this weekend. I should have, but I think I just chilled a lot this weekend. I was just kind of tired. We're going on vacation next week, so that's gonna be good. I need some vacation. But yeah, I can hang till then. But let's see what happened Friday. I think I did a late vlog that day, so I didn't really. Yeah, I did the live show with Ricky Hilson, sound check with Ricky Hilson. So I did talk about Friday, I think. Yeah. And I was writing down some things that I learned in the 100 days of ook because I just kind of want to, like, maybe after, I want to, I don't know, just think about it, look at my videos, and just kind of write what I felt or what I did or what I learned. There's some things I did learn. Go slower on the songs. I have a lot more to learn. These are things I wrote down. Great stories for teaching. Yeah, all these people that I saw in the 100 days was awesome. They had some awesome stories, and they still play ukulele. So, some great stories. I learned that everybody has a song that needs to get out, and that just goes with the 4 principles that I've been talking about. But that's what I saw in the 100 days. It was really awesome. Gave me confidence to actually just record and not even think about it. Letting go is a huge thing that I learned on that. Also, being a teacher, I wanted to do it first, and meaning lead from the front and do things that, that people can do that can help them accomplish certain things. Like my goal for ukulele is like every day keep on practicing ukulele or keep on strumming ukulele, and that means just need to practice, get skillful at something. I think is very important because it'll help you in different things. It's really cool. And I also wrote I want to do interviews for the people that completed the 100 days, so I might like contact those people and see what's up. May 8th, 2021, or Saturday. Let's see, what was I writing here? I think I slept in. Oh yeah, I did the live show. Actually, that was cool with Rich Hilson. It's awesome. He's in Massachusetts, and we had a good time talking. He's also a teacher. Actually, my 100-day song for that day was "Redemption Song" by Bob Marley. Love that song. And then Sunday, I just put "Chill Day," 100 Days of ook. Day 99, your song. Oh, I did your song yesterday for Mother. Oh yeah, that was Mother's Day. That's right, Mother's Day. Oh yeah, I cooked breakfast. We got up late. Carrie loves to sleep in. That was Mother's Day. I called my mom, and I did your song for all the mothers out there. And on YouTube, I just wanted to give a gift of a song, and your song is that one. But Mother's Day, we hung out. We had crab. Kaylee and her boyfriend came over, and they made brownies for us, and we just hung out. Kind of a chill day for Carrie, and whatever she needed, we got it. Actually, what happened that day? Oh yeah, Saturday I had to go pick her up. Oh yeah, she went and hung out, and then I stayed home. That's right. And then she went and hung out with some friends. I stayed home, but I had to do some stuff. And then Sunday, it was all about her, Carrie, whatever she needed. Got it. And made her day very comfortable. And I know she had a good Mother's Day. She gets a new phone. And actually, I got to order something right now, too, for her, which I will. But I have another present because her birthday is this coming up on the 19th or 18th. And we're going out to go hang out in the mountains for a minute. So that's going to be fun. And today, actually, I finished the 100 Days of Ook. That was awesome. Actually, I just did the song. I haven't posted it yet, so I'll post it after I finish this vlog. And then, actually, today we got our vaccine shot. We got the Johnson & Johnson one. I know my mom was saying, don't get the Johnson & Johnson, but it was only I just read the thing. It was, actually, it doesn't pertain to us, but I just wanted one shot, so I got it today. And, there it is, my arm. It's kind of sore. Feeling a little tired. I don't know how I'll feel tomorrow, but we'll see. I will update everybody on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine because I just got it, so we'll see what's up. Other than that, I'm just going to finish editing the video today and just kind of chill out because I do feel a little tired from the shot. Carrie is already laying down, and we're just chilling today, so it's kind of cool. Other than that, I'm just beside myself right now. I think I'm just proud of myself for accomplishing the 100 days. You can be proud of yourself, right? Yeah, you can. And I am proud of myself. It was an accomplishment. I think I said this on the thing. Everything I've learned in life, kind of went into the 100 days because there was a lot of things I had to do. I had to sing a song every day, record it, edit it, and all the things that I've learned in my life I had to use to get that accomplished, which is really crazy. And actually, it was kind of funny because, they say success equals preparation plus opportunity. And, that opportunity came. I was 50. Everything that, I don't know, all the stars were aligned. Everything was almost perfect to actually do the 100 days because, I had all these skills that can accomplish those things, and it was really cool. Just to see that, it was awesome. Or just for me, just to give me the confidence to do whatever I need to do. But doing 100 songs, I always have that. Plus, it helps me with my teaching because I have 100 songs that in a book form that I can teach. And right now it's just, what else can I do? It's I just go forward and I step up on 100 Days of Ook. Taught me a lot of things about ukulele, and I'm just going to continue to learn. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And it kind of I'm wearing this shirt today because that's basically what happened. Dream, believe, and achieve. So I dreamed I could do 100 songs and record them, and then I believed it, and then I achieved it. That's basically how that works. So I just wanted to do it for myself, and it feels really good. It does really feel good. It gives you the confidence to do a lot of things. So I'm excited. This week, I don't know, I'm just going to be in awe. I think I'm just going to relax till we go on vacation. I want to think about the rest of the year, of what I want to accomplish. I'm still going to do the vlogs, but I might add like songs into it, and then I know like things are opening up, so I want to beef up the ukulele stuff for this summer, so I got to start planning for that. So reminder to self, plan some events for the summer. Boom. But other than that, today I'm just gonna chill, and I think I'm just gonna chill. But let me see. Let's look at the weather today. I haven't done that. Let me show the weather. Wah, wah. 64 with 66. It was kind of cloudy today. It wasn't too nice, but it was slightly cloudy like it shows, and it's 66, so it's mild weather. Tomorrow might be nicer, so cool. And then birthdays for today, if we have any. La la la. Birthday. Gareth Jones. What up, buddy? Air Force buddy. He's on the East Coast right now. Garrett, really good friend. We used to ride motorcycles together and stuff back in the day. And yeah, happy birthday. Lori Lamont, super duper awesome artist here in Long Beach. Lives down the street. Very talented. Haven't seen her in a while, but happy birthday, Lori. Hope you're still drawing. And then Chris Yaris, cousin in Hawaii. Happy birthday, cuz. I gotta get to Hawaii. When I get to Hawaii, I will come and visit you. And I just saw a birthday from yesterday, and it was Richard Lopez's birthday. He passed away a few years ago. Really good friend of mine. Miss him. Richard, thinking of you. We have his art all over our house. He used to be an artist, and yeah, Richard, awesome. But anyways, yeah, that's all I have for us today. I just kind of want to go finish editing and just chill out. So it is May 10th, 2021. It is vlog 90. Continuing on with this year, and I am sure there's going to be a lot more great things, and I'm excited. So with that, that's all I have for you guys today. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah.